And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
You got talent yours? What's going on, man?
You alright?
Yeah, man. How you been?
Living the dream.
Yeah, man. I'm leaving that right there. Finally caught up with you.
Coming to hurt you now.
What you got? What you running in here?
418 Omega, FIs, 4 JP83s.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for calling 1-800-BUSTED.
Yes, sir. You put in some work. You put in some work in here, boy. Y'all, who built this thing? You built this?
Me, Cortez, Smoke, Scott.
Y'all, how y'all do it? Using the crew? Yeah. I can't expect nothing else but the best when y'all do. Let them know where they can find you on social media, man. You on social media anywhere? On Facebook? I'm sure
Just
that
Facebook.
they'll know you when I put you. It's good seeing you, bro.
Just Facebook.
Yes, sir, man. I finally caught up with you, man. I seen that go round.
Still rolling?
Yeah, it's still
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.